Hey you guys, Sylvia here and welcome all to my revenue reset review. This product is going live today. Today is the 7th of February at 10 a.m. New York time. Guys, you can check all the details below. The link to my written review is right below in the description box, okay? I'll show you my review. I'll show you the members area. In fact, you can see the members area here or there. Not sure on which side it is. As I am scrolling through it right now. Yeah, okay. This is the newest launch by James Renouf, Max Gerstenmaier, and Tom E. Well, in fact, this product is is Tom's baby. Okay, I've never heard of Tom E. I was like, okay, who did you guys partner up with? Obviously, I know James Renouf and Max. I've reviewed tons of their products. I always love them. You know, I learn tons from them. I review them. I promote them, right? I haven't heard of Tom. And then as I was checking the sales page, I was like, ooh, Tom is a multi-millionaire. How did he make this money? And apparently, and as I was just learning about Tom, right? He has been massively successful, but at some point before 2022, he stepped out of the affiliate marketing arena, if you may, world, and tapped into the self-help niche, which is also insanely popular. And this product specifically is an outcome of him, and he made a fortune doing that in the self-help niche. And what this product comes down to, ultimately, is a combination of sort of internet marketing, his skill, his knowledge, so it's his brain behind this product. What product? I'll reveal, don't worry. You know my transparent approach. I'll show you all I have, and so you will be fully informed after you've watched my review, ideally till the end, because guys, I don't have a script. I may be somehow chaotic at times, somehow, okay? But trust me, rest assured that I do my due diligence and a lot of research and studying before I shoot my review, so I make sure the product delivers, you know, if I choose to put my brand behind it. But anyhow, not here to blow my own trumpet, just telling you I don't have a script, so I may be a bit chaotic. I'm like Trump. I don't have a script. Okay. So, this product is a combination of Tom's experience in internet marketing. He made millions, that speaks for itself, and his passion for self-help niche. So, let's get straight to it. This is an AI coach, unlike anything you've seen before. You know, the likes of which you have never seen before. I've been listening to Trump too much. You know, Jordan Peterson was saying about him that sometimes he sounds like a 13-year-old bully. I mean, like, it's interesting, okay, to listen to what someone like Jordan Peterson has got to say about Trump. But putting that aside, of course, Trump has a lot of redeeming qualities, not politics, okay. So I was like, okay, this is really interesting. At first I was like, an AI bot? A trained ChatGPT? I know, we know, you know, we can create those GPTs. Now guys, I underestimated the value of this AI coach. When I put it to action, I'll show you, okay, my conversation with this bot. I was really like, my socks got blown away all the way to the moon. And I'm not saying it lightly. You see, like, AI is only as good as the brain, not just the brain, the consciousness behind it. So who's programming it, who's talking to it, who's prompting it. The output of AI will only be as good as the input. And I see, like, the way that bot has been trained is so amazing. It's like a real coach. I can see it's both like internet marketing skills and understanding behind that bot, plus understanding of the self-help niche. So it's this like inspirational, motivational bit to it. And personally, it helped me create stuff I've been meaning to do for quite a while. And the only reason why I didn't do it, it was not laziness, because I'm not lazy. I'm very, very organized, but procrastination. And as we know, there's a massive difference between laziness and procrastination, okay? One is a character trait, the other one is connected to traumas or stuff like that, okay? A different subject. But I have been procrastinating when it comes to creating some, like, let me give you an example. There's and that, okay, that I have been putting on hold for way too long. Like, of course I'm building my list, right? So creating like really nurturing emails that will reveal me to my subscribers, like the real me, create them in a very personal way. And wow, when I fed AI coach with the information about me, and that's why, you start with, hello, my name is Sylvia, and that's what I did. I'll show you. Okay, let's actually get to it. Let me show you. You see, this is the members area again. I'll show you around one more, again. So this is the guy, Tom E. Very, very interesting person, okay? And this is the bot. Okay, it's called My Income Coach. You can rename it. But this is how you start. Hi, my name is Sylvia. And look how the bot replies. Hey, Sylvia, I'm thrilled you're here. My name is blah, blah, blah. Max, you can change the name of it. My number one mission is to help you make money online no matter how many times you've tried and failed before. Here's what you can expect from me. You see, brutally honest, loving coaching, no fluff, just result. It's really like having a personal coach. Of course, I would not fire a personal coach if I had like a human personal coach. If I could afford one, it's always best, of course. But if you cannot afford a human coach, this is such a great starting point. You can even use this on top of your personal human coach, right? Trust me, it really inspired, it really gave me a push to take action. I was like, okay, I'll give it a genuine go, okay? Because it sounds amazing. It's gonna ask you questions, so that's why it's going to be very very personalized, tailor-made, custom-made, right to you. So if you don't have a website, if you've got no experience in internet marketing, on making money online, but you want to start making money online, just describe your strengths, your weaknesses, your situation, your desires, your dreams, and it's going to come up with a plan that is just tailor-made to your specific situation. Guys, you cannot even comprehend the potential of that. It's crazy. So you see, it's gonna ask you about what have you tried so far to make money online and what results did you get? What's your biggest strength? What's your biggest weakness? Very important, because guys, transparency, the power of transparency and telling the truth is life-changing. It is like, if you don't understand that yet, then realize that sooner or later, because as I often like to say, transparency is the mother of transformation, but you need to get to that point. You need to get to the point of telling the as is, the real truth, being raw, authentic, because it bears amazing, amazing fruit, okay? Life-changing. Now, and the next question is, are you making any money online right now? So let's crack the code together, Sylvia. So what you can expect, step-by-step strategies tailored to you, right? Brutal honesty, accountability. I'll check you in on your progress. A mix of wisdom, humor, and practical action steps to keep you moving. Why that? Who programmed this bot? Tom. This is the kind of person he is. Okay? He's humorous. He's got his wisdom coming from his experience. He made millions. So I guess he can teach us a bit. Okay? Right. So I shared some information a little bit. Okay? So I have tried affiliate marketing. I promote products by reviewing them on YouTube channel, which I have run for almost 4 years. As you can see, this is my journey. You can read it, guys. Again, I'm very transparent. And this is what you're gonna get from my product, which I'm working on, my training course, in which I'll show you, my journey too. and how I started making money online. Oh, I said, oh my goodness, that I've made 2,000 from my online efforts. No, I made over 20,000, okay, dollars. So I have to correct that. Oh, I have to correct that. I made a mistake. Me and numbers. So I said like, I have a website, YouTube channel, LinkedIn newsletter. I promote products from Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and JVZoo Marketplace, and some other like Pay Kickstart, ClickBank occasionally. I have a small list, okay. Why? Because it's not easy to, it is possible. I still am building my list. You don't have to have a huge list, but if you have you don't have to have 1 million subscribers on YouTube channel. They say it's enough to have 1,000 loyal subscribers and you're good, who watch your stuff and who buy from you, who trust you. It's like quality over quantity. Okay. But of course, I want to increase this number, and I will once I start launching my products. I'm not a frequent, like a serial launcher. I'm not gonna become one. Again, for me, it's quality over quantity. So, I can share all of that with this coach, and it has made a tailored to me plan on how I can step up the game. So check it out. He was like, Sylvia, wow, first of all, massive respect for your consistency, running and blah, blah, blah. I was like, this is so cool. I mean, it's motivating me, inspiring me. It's giving me a plan what perhaps I should, there's so many suggestions here. And I took action on that. First of all, I created this email sequence automation. 7 emails that it helped me create with. Of course, I shared a lot of information, my personal information, with this coach. And then it came up with these, and some of my YouTube transcripts. Okay, you see, I shared a lot of stuff with the bot. This is just the first thing it created for me. Let me open it up as in Canvas, so it does it as well. So it's easy to copy and paste from here. This is the email sequence that it created for me. Amazing, because it's based on my personal experience, on the information I shared with the bot. I am totally in love with this bot. I guess you guys are gonna love it too. Again, it's gonna meet you where you are. Okay, so take action on it, be honest, be transparent, tell the truth, tell as is. If you have no experience, whatever experience you have, share it with the bot. And it's going to give you ideas beyond your wildest dreams. I guarantee that, because I've tested it. And as much as I wasn't really appreciative of it at the first glance, as I was going through the members area, I was like, so, okay, what is it? So here's some upgrades, introduction for you. So 9 minutes, I watch it, how Tom is using this tool. I was like, okay, so this is it? And then I was like, another video, 2-3 minutes long, real live example using the AI coach, walkthrough video, then using the AI coach with Canvas. So I did show you what it means in Canvas, right? Very useful, time saving. Yes, because it's very easy to copy and paste from there. So that's 3 minutes. And then next one, how to make sure you will have smooth sailing with your AI coach. Another 2 minutes. And this is it. And then you can upgrade. But if you click here, this is how it's going to, okay, you have to be logged into your GPT account. You can use it with both free or paid version of GPT. Of course, and then Tom will cover some technical issues you may come across. So he explains that all and what to do about it in these short videos. Yeah, so you can use it if you have a free one. You can also use it. I have a free one, and I still am able to create a lot of content. Of course, there's a limit to how much you can create. Sometimes you have to come back to it later because you've exhausted the limit, the daily limit or whatever. But I very often experience that I've run out of the daily limit, but if I come back in a few hours, it's already sort of renewed itself, if you know what I mean. So good. It's very generous. Even the free ChatGPT is very generous, right, for its users. So guys, these vendors are cool guys, you know. Go check out my written review. It's below in the description box. Now, please go check out all of the stuff, all of the details I shared here, especially pay attention to the funnel. You know, I made sure put the information in a very clear and well-structured manner, so you know which upsell is what's what and what the upsells are all about. Okay, and of course I give you some bonuses as well to do with affiliate marketing, creating a profitable affiliate program, client acquisition blueprint. These are like custom made, created by me. Okay, and how to create and sell digital products. So if you click through any of the call to action buttons by now, it is not going to take you to the checkout, but to the actual sales page, which is my affiliate link. So hence why if you buy via my written review, you're buying from me, you're getting my bonuses, and I thank you for that, of course. Right, guys, so love you and leave you. That's all. I'm not gonna make this review any longer. I mainly focus on what the bot actually does, so you understand what you're getting yourself into. I hope you've watched all of my review, because now you just have a crystal clear understanding of what kind of product we are talking about. Okay, sometimes on the sales pages are a bit mysterious, hence why stumbling upon in-depth, honest review can be very, very helpful, right? Okay, here I come to the rescue to save the day. And I'm going because I'm starting to talk like a lunatic. I do that sometimes. All right, guys, love you and leave you. Check out that written review. Check out the sales page if that's for you. Grab it via the link again below my review, through my written review. And yeah, thank you, and talk to you very soon. Bye bye.